Hey, everybody, and happy Friday. This is Shannon Graham-Cornell from Better Home Organizing, coming to you on day 14 of the March Facebook event. And so I had said that I was going to do this episode from the Container Store. And I was at the Container Store this morning and I had a lovely time there, but I had to call an audible because I got there right when it opened and there were enough people in the store that they seemed to be really evenly distributed pretty much in every aisle. But because there were only a few people there, it was dead silent in the store. And I felt really weird about the fact that I was going to, at any given time, be standing in an aisle talking to you all and have one person in the aisle with me and not enough noise happening in the store to drown anything out. So I decided to do two things. One, I took a whole bunch of pictures that I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share my screen here in just a second and show you the results of my shopping trip and talk about why I took pictures of each of these things. But I also, as I was walking around the store, they must have thought I was crazy because I circled the store like 4 times. But while I was in the store, I also did a Facebook story of my trip through and took some pictures of some different things that I ended up taking photos of to show you here. But take a look at the story. It's kind of fun. Take a look at the story and so check stuff out there. I also have uploaded all of the pictures that I'm going to show you in here to an album in Facebook, so you can see all the pictures and you can zoom in if you want to and see the exact names of the products and all of that. But I'm going to show you here some of the things that I looked at today and tell you a little bit about why I looked. So, or why I took pictures of them, why I thought they were special. So with that, I'm going to try to figure out how to flip my camera now that I've started the video. You know what? I don't think I can. Hold, please. I'll be right back.